Problem number 23. The question of this problem is, should misuse of technology lead us to banning it? So अगर टेक्नोलॉजी का आप misuse कर रहे हैं तो क्या उसको बैन कर देना चाहिए? Here we will take a typical example of cloning. Now before going into the detail, I want to give you an example that coin has two faces. One is good and one is bad, and nobody except the bad one. So God has gifted us with the brain having capabilities to imagine that which one is better. If it has better advantages, then we must ignore the disadvantages. The same is with cloning. Cloning is somewhat not so much evil. So here I want to discuss the importances of cloning, and then we will move towards the disadvantages, and we will decide that whether this technology should be banned or not. Now, cloning helps to prevent us from many diseases. It helps in organ transplantation. जो organs cloning के जरिए बनाए गए उनमें देखा गया कि organ transplantation के लिए rejection के chances कम है. They are somewhat found to be compatible with the patient. So there is an easy process and less chances of rejection when organs are prepared by cloning process for transplantation. Then the main motive of cloning is not to produce the whole human creature, but to produce different parts of the human body, ताकि जो organ आपका properly function नहीं कर रहा उसकी regrowth कराई जाए, या अगर organ पूरी तरह से नकारा हो गया है उसको replace किया जाए by the process of cloning. So cloning helps humanity and needy person. Let's take an example of therapeutic cloning that helps in the regrowth of malfunctioned organs. So it helps us to prevent life-threatening diseases in the human beings. Thus, it gives the solution for cancer as well as for AIDS. Now, in this problem, we have talked about the cloning, and you have seen that there are number of advantages of cloning. Now, designer babies is also a type of cloning, but we have not mentioned it because there are more potential benefits of cloning as compared to the disadvantages. So at some point we can't ban this technique. अगर आपको कोई ethical issues हैं regarding cloning or any other technique regarding genetic engineering, then you have to raise such issues in the ethical or scientific meetings ताकि उन issues को discuss किया जाए और उनको scientific meetings में solve करने की कोशिश की जाए. Now in this problem the term technology is used, so I will not restrict myself to genetic engineering. We will also go towards today's technology. जैसे कि आजकल मोबाइल्स बहुत कॉमन है, सेल फोन्स का इस्तेमाल किया जा रहा है जिसमें नॉन आयनाइजिंग रेडिएशंस प्रेजेंट होती हैं. अगर सेल फोन का इस्तेमाल कान के साथ ज़्यादा किया जाए तो चांसेस हैं कि ब्रेन ट्यूमर डेवलप होगा. Now these chances are so much less that we can't ignore the importance of this technology. जिसकी वजह से आप देख सकते हैं कि सेल फोन्स पे आज भी बैन नहीं लगा. Similarly, microwaves are used in every house to ताकि हम चीज़ों को गर्म कर सकें, especially the food products. लेकिन इसकी रेडिएशन के ज़रिए DNA डैमेज हो जाता है. There are chances of mutations in the genetic material. जिसकी वजह से हम लोगों को कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि माइक्रोवेव का इस्तेमाल कम से कम करें. But we can't ban this technique. Again, it is still in use because microwave is another way of sterilization as well.